Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are here live at Secondary Technical School of Obodoukwu, my alma mater, the only secondary technical school owned by the government in Obodoukwu. What you are seeing here is the handwork of the incumbent House of Rep member representing Ideato constituency, Honorable Austine Chukwukere. The man is showing competence. The man is showing patriotism to his community. You can see the erosion control project. You can see the new face of this school. You can see new buildings. In the time past, this school was one of the best around Imo State. This school has produced a lot of noble men in this community and even outside this community. We can count number of doctors, number of engineers, number of surveyors, all sorts of professionals that has come through this school. You can see this is the computer center, this is the staff quarters, the staff office, and different classrooms. We will take you down to appreciate this compound. Well, some years back, devastation of this compound was caused by erosion, and this erosion has cost this school a lot. The students are feeling uncomfortable. The environment is unconducive for the students to enjoy their studies, and because of that, the well-spirited Honorable Austine Chukwukere, in his magnanimous benevolence, in his patriotism, in his love for this community, has ensured that this erosion menace is controlled with the best quality you can ever have in terms of erosion control project. The size of this erosion control, the size of the drainage, the quality of the work, and the volume of the work is marvelous. Therefore, we are saying thank you to Honorable Austine for this show of good spirit, show of love to his community, and we want to encourage him to continue doing good for his community. Our community, like Oliver Twist, will always need some more, but we know for real that he who works deserves his pay, and the pay that he deserves is our prayers, our support in his political career. We know it is not over yet, that in politics the game never ends. The game is a continuum, and we are calling on the people of Obodoukwu and the neighboring communities to keep supporting their own Honorable Austine Chukwukere. He means well for this community. He means well for Ideato. He means well for Ideato Federal Constituency. Thank you. We will take you down to see, appreciate this project the more. Thank you and keep watching. This is one of the renovated buildings in the environment. I just want you to appreciate what is going on in this compound. This is the first of its kind, and we are having our good-spirited men. I will never forget to mention the Ophobi 8th grade, which has contributed immensely to the rehabilitation of this secondary school. We are proud of them. We also commend the ISO Social Club of Obodoukwu for their efforts, and all other individuals who has contributed in one way or the other for the rehabilitation and resuscitation of this secondary school. This is my alma mater. This is the place we started, and by the grace of God, it's wearing a new look, and hopefully so, in the next few months to come, those who feel this place is abandoned will come and see the goodness of God and the work of good-spirited men from this community in this compound. The work is ongoing, and you see the depth and the width. The quality of the work is even beyond what we expected.